Hey, it's Dr. Bove, aka Captain Crunch. Welcome to another adjustment video. Tonight we're adjusting Crystal. Alright.
Hi.
Yeah, welcome. So you had a migraine today?
I did, yeah. Yeah, I did. I did a spin class this morning and it gave me a bit of a migraine.
Really?
Yeah, I did.
Oh. How's the rest? How's this upper back? We've always been working on the slight kyphosis, and so give me a rundown.
I'm feeling good besides that, yeah. Dr. Bove is great. So
Aw, man.
yeah, I always say that my calendar tells me when to come to you now instead of my neck, which is awesome. So
That is
yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
Please. And I'm honored to have the opportunity to serve you and your family. It's amazing. All right, so enjoy me adjusting Crystal. All right, go ahead and lay facing down. I love your hair. It's really
Thank
nice.
you. It's a mad mess of hair.
My favorite technique in adjusting this area, I call the hug. It's really an anterior dorsal adjustment, but it kind of looks like a hug. So we're just going to go with that. A lot of people always ask me, I just came to my head, what are you feeling? What are you doing? So, the spine is made up of 24 freely movable segments. All right, they all should be one on top of the other, nice in line. So that's the first thing. We feel for alignment. All right. Second thing, they're freely movable, so we feel for the motion in between the segments. Third thing, we feel the muscles that are parallel to the spine. Are they tight? Are they taut? Are there's trigger points in there? And lastly, we feel for inflammation. Now, Crystal, she's awesome. There's no inflammation. There is some restriction of motion in this joint right here, and change in this muscle tissue here. It's a little tighter, more contracted. So, that is a byproduct of this fixation. So we will adjust this area. Beautiful. All right. Deep breath in, but hold that, easy, easy. Good. Perfect. Okay, turn on your side, facing me this way, right side up.
Okay.
Beautiful. Almost. What's that saying? Nothing worthwhile is ever easy. No. Good. Perfect. All right, go ahead on your back. All our videos are live, by the way.
Oh.
So, now it's not live right now going on the channel, but we don't edit. It is what it is. Perfect.
That was a good
That's the
one.
hug. All right, let me have your hands.
That was a good one. That felt good.
You are fantastic. Perfect. Okay. So migraines usually in chiropractic, and it's usually, right, come from the upper neck segments. Cervical segment number 1 and number 2. Now number 2 is a little bit rotated left, which is easy. We'll fix that, no problem at all. Your C1 is a little, what's called right laterality. It's shifted to the right. That is a special adjustment called the Atlas toggle. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay. Turn and face me on this side. We got a receipt here.
Oh.
This was like the
Probably.
best invention in these
The
pants.
side pocket, I
Yeah.
know, right?
Oh, like, what are you supposed to do with your keys and phone? Perfect. That was beautiful.
I actually heard that one.
I know, it was nice.
I know.
All right, I have to get a special headpiece.
Okay.
All right, and we're going to use that to adjust this atlas bone.
Okay. See, I knew it was perfect that I was coming in today.
Oh, no, this is wonderful. Okay.
Migraine's got nothing on you.
No way.
Am I sitting this way?
Yep. All right, super deep breath in. Good and out. Perfect. Okay. So, yeah, still off. Right there. That bone moves like the pirate ship ride. You know, like this.
Okay.
Okay. And yours is off to the right-hand side. So,
Yeah, I can feel that when you were pushing.
I want you to lay on your side, head here, facing me. Now, this thing is going to drop down and make noise. all
Okay.
right? Good. So don't get nervous.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, let's double check it. In school, they made us do that with eggs.
Well, it doesn't hurt
Perfect.
nearly as much when you do that now.
Perfect. Yeah, it's smack in the middle.
Nice.
All right, I do want to do our standing wrestling move.
Okay.
Beautiful. Okay, put your hands on mine. Oh, nice and tall. Almost. Same thing.
There it
That's
was.
way better. All right.
Awesome.
Have a seat, man. Hang out. I'm truly blessed, because I get to the opportunity to adjust some awesome people. So, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, Captain Crunch DC, of course, and enjoy our videos. All right. Thanks again. See ya.
Bye.